Which function is used to read a string from the user, including spaces? A. Scanf function. B. Gets function. C. Puts function. D. Fgets function. The right answer is B. Gets function. What does the puts function do? A. Reads a string. B. Writes an integer. C. Writes a string followed by a new line. D. Copies one string to another. The right answer is C. Writes a string followed by a new line. Which header file is required for string functions? A. stdio.h. B. conio.h. C. string.h. D. math.h. The right answer is C. string.h. Which function is used to find the length of a string? A. String length function. B. String copy function. C. String concatenation function. D. String compare function. The right answer is A. String length function. What is the output of string hello? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 0. The right answer is B. 5. Which function compares two strings? A. String copy function. B. String concatenation function. C. String length function. D. String compare function. The right answer is D. String compare function. What does string compare function return when both strings are equal? A. 0. B. 1. C. -1. D. True. The right answer is A. 0. Which function is used to copy one string to another? A. String copy function. B. String concatenation function. C. String compare function. D. String length function. The right answer is A. String copy function. Which function is used to concatenate two strings? A. String copy function. B. String concatenation function. C. String compare function. D. String length function. The right answer is B. String concatenation function. Which of the following statements correctly initializes a string in C? A. Character array string of 5 is equal to H, E, L, L, O. B. Character array string is equal to hello. C. Character array string of 6 is equal to hello. D. All of the above. The right answer is D. All of the above. What is the output of string length A/0BC? A1. B2. C3. D4. The right answer is A1. What does strcpy in round bracket destination source string do? A. Copies source into destination. B. Copies destination into source. C. Compares the strings. D. Reverses source. The right answer is A. Copies source into destination. How is a string terminated in C? A. With a period dot. B. With a null character /0. C. With a semicolon. D. With a space. The right answer is B. With a null character /0. What does string compare in round bracket ABC ABD, return A, 0. B, greater than 0. C, less than 0. D, error. The right answer is C, less than 0. What is the null character act in C? A, 0. B, /0. C, null. D, none. The right answer is B, /0. What is the output of the following C code? Character blank array string is equal to hello, printf, %s, string. A, hello. B, hello followed by garbage values. C, an error message. D, undefined behavior. The right answer is A, hello. What does the string copy function return in C? A, the number of character copied. B, the destination string. C, a pointer to the destination string. D, null. The right answer is C, a pointer to the destination string. An array elements are always stored in dash memory locations. A, random. B, sequential. C, sequential and random. D, none of the above. The right answer is B, sequential. What happens if a string array is initialized with fewer characters than its size in C? A, the remaining elements are filled with null characters. B, the remaining elements are left uninitialized. C, it causes an error. D, the program crashes. The right answer is A. The remaining elements are filled with null characters. What is the output? Char string is equal to code printf %d size of string. A, 4. B, 5. C, 3. D, 6. The right answer is B, 5. What is the correct syntax to input a string using scanf function? A, scanf, %s, ampersand string. B, scanf, %c, string. C, scanf, %s, string. D, scanf, %d, ampersand string. The right answer is C, scanf, %s, string. What will be the output of the following code? Character array string is equal to hello, printf, %hc, string of 5. A, 0. B, /0. C, garbage value. D, compilation error. The right answer is B, /0. What will happen if you declare a character array like this? Character array string of 5 is equal to world exclamation. A, it will print world exclamation correctly. B, it will compile but overflow memory. C, it will store world with null terminator. D, compilation error. The right answer is B. It will compile but overflow memory. Which function appends not more than n character? A, strcat function. B, strconf function. C, strncat function. D, memcat function. The right answer is C, strncat function. What is the ASCII value of null or /0? A, 12. B, 0. C, 56. D, none of these. The right answer is B, 0. What is the output of C program with strings? Character array string is equal to G, L, O, B, A, L print F, percentage S, string A J, B globe, C globe slash 0, D none of the above. The right answer is D. None of the above. A character constant is enclosed by A. Left single quotes, B. Right single quotes, C. Double quotes, D. None of the above. The right answer is B. Right single quotes. AC language string elements are always stored in A. Random memory locations, B. Alternate memory locations, C. Sequential memory locations, D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Sequential memory locations. Is there any function declared as str function? A. True, B. False. The right answer is A. True. What is the maximum number of dimensions an array in C may have? A. 2, B. 3, C. 12, D. No limit. The right answer is D. No limit.